Gavana ma County Siaya James Orengo koroni to sewa mokalo mokum jokanyo magdunu siasa mar ODM magoiko malungore kaka Linda Ground ka ikindego iko bende ne gibago romo margi mfungamano house buore Nairobi kindego iko ma Kweth nogo mar Linda Ground bende ne obago margi Jamhuri Ground sodiching makaunendi koroni to ne osewa mokalo kaka gisebedo ka gitayo don bura nendo nyaka ne muluor Odinga koroni ne wet ngimane ekinde mane oloso e romo nendo koroni to ne osewa mokalo kane oyango ni chikego iko masani tago dun bura nendo en mano makata muluor Odinga ne ok nyal yigodo gi thulindi ka oyango ni ponono ne Odinga ngima nya gi thulindi to ne dine ochopo e romo mane obagi koda Kweth nogo mar Linda Mwananchi
technology. And you know, Baba gave us a lesson that if the people in power cannot listen to you, you talk truth to power, but you also embarrass them. That's why we used to go to IDC and sit on the tarmac. We must fight for an impartial IEBC for us to have free and fair elections. Kweli ama si kweli? Kweli ama si kweli? And from now, we must organize. We must organize. And we must be disciplined. Like today, we are disciplined. And I can tell you, the 24th of June is coming. The 24th of June is coming. Are we going to church to commemorate those who died in the struggle or pray in our houses? We must go out on the 24th, all of us, to make sure that the people who died for us are remembered in honor and in victory. But between now and 24th, and I'm happy to see Bob Njagi here. I'm happy to see Bob Njagi here. I'm tired of waiting. I am tired of waiting. I am tired of waiting. How many people are tired of waiting? To remove a dictator, you must make his life uncomfortable. You must give him sleepless